Hi, welcome to Acrylic Pours by Cherie. Today I'm going to do a dirty cup pour, and it's a 12 by 16 size, and it's got some neon colors in it. So let's just see how this goes. Okay, wow, look at that. That looks pretty awesome. Inside the cup. All right. Give it a good torch. See if any cells will appear. All right. Now I've got to get my gloves on. Last time I didn't wear my gloves, and it was not a good thing. Got it all over my hands and my fingers and my fingernails. Not a good thing. These colors are pretty awesome. I only have one that is, most of them are color shift colors. And then the yellow is the neon color. So let's see what we can do here. I might have a little bit too much paint. Oh, that's awesome. So we haven't been out very much because of COVID, and tonight we are going to meet our good friends Patty and Alan at the restaurant, and we are going to have a good time, and I cannot wait. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. I like that. That is gorgeous. Love the colors. I think it's going to be probably drying a little bit darker than I kind of want, but I think it's going to probably turn out really well. I like that. It's pretty. Pretty soon I'll bring you down for a close-up. That is awesome. That color shift. Wow. Looks like I need some more fuel. Alright, well, it's good enough for now. Let me bring you down for a close-up. Look at that color over there. That is gorgeous. That is brown red. Amazing. I love that color. That looks pretty awesome. Look at that. It's color shift color. I don't know if you can see it, but this just looks like one big happy wave. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm hoping this dries well. I'll be a happy camper if it dries well. Well, thank you guys. This is the finished product. It's not dried yet, but y'all have a good day. Bye.